Hi, plant lover. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're solving a mystery. Why do jade plants bloom? And once you understand this, you'll never look at that little succulent on your windowsill the same way again. You've probably had a jade plant for years, maybe decades. It just sits there, thick, glossy leaves, barely asking for anything. You water it occasionally, it survives. You forget about it for weeks, it's still fine. Then one morning you walk past it and something stops you. Clusters of tiny, star-shaped white flowers with a hint of pink are opening at the tips of the branches, and they smell sweet. Your first thought is probably, wait, jade plants bloom? Because most owners never see it happen, not in 10, 20, even 30 years of ownership. So when it does happen, the real question isn't just why, it's why now? Why here? Why me? And both science and centuries-old tradition point to the same answer. Let's start with the biology. Jade plant, or Crassula ovata, is native to South Africa's Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal regions, growing on dry, rocky hillsides with fast drainage and winter rains. Indoors, though, blooming is rare because our homes look nothing like those hillsides. Steady temperatures, weak but constant light, and more frequent watering keep the plant in what we could call maintenance mode, alive, green, growing slowly, but never flowering. To bloom, the plant has to shift into reproductive mode, and that only happens when specific conditions line up. First, maturity. A jade needs 3 to 5 years, sometimes up to 10, to develop woody stems and a real branching structure before it has the energy reserves to flower. A young jade with soft green stems is still building its foundation. Second, and this surprises people, controlled stress. Botanists call it hormesis, moderate, deliberate stress that triggers extraordinary biological responses. For jade, 3 signals combine to create that stress. Shorter days and longer nights. In fall and winter, decreasing daylight tells the plant seasons are shifting. It needs 12 to 14 hours of uninterrupted darkness paired with bright daytime light. Most homes with lamps and TVs extending the day never send that signal. Cooler nights. In South African winters, temperatures drop to around 50 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit at night, while days stay warm. That day-night contrast tells the plant the dry season is coming, time to invest in reproduction. A home held at a steady 70 degrees never delivers that cue. Reduced watering. Less rainfall in the wild dry season confirms the shift. Together, shorter days, cooler nights, and drier soil form a triple signal: reproduce now. The plant redirects stored energy from leaves into buds and flowers. So when your jade blooms, it means your home, intentionally or by accident, replicated conditions close enough to those South African hillsides to switch on programming millions of years old. That's not nothing. And here's where it gets interesting. Cultures around the world noticed this same phenomenon long before botanists explained it, and their conclusions line up with the science almost perfectly. Jade plant holds serious symbolic weight in Feng Shui and Chinese tradition. Its round, coin-shaped leaves link it directly to money. It's often called the money plant, and it's a common gift at business openings, housewarmings, and weddings. It represents stored wealth and slow, steady growth. But blooming is considered the strongest sign of all. In Feng Shui, a flowering jade means the energy in a home has become so balanced and abundant that the plant has surplus to spare. It's not just storing energy anymore, it's overflowing. Placement matters too. Bloom near the front door and wealth is said to flow in. Bloom in the southeast wealth corner and financial energy is confirmed active. Bloom in a home office and it signals professional success. Now compare the two explanations side by side. Science says the plant blooms when it's mature, consistently cared for, in a stable environment, with enough light and with watering balanced against real dry periods and temperature shifts. Tradition says it blooms when the home has good energy, harmony, and abundance. Strip away the vocabulary and they're describing the same home. One where someone pays attention, where light and care are consistent but not excessive, where things are in order. In South Africa, where jade originates, communities like the Khoi used the plant medicinally for generations, boiling the roots in milk for digestive issues, using leaves for other ailments. It wasn't just decorative, it was part of daily life, and a blooming jade was read as a sign the land itself was healthy. There's another remarkable trait. Jade is almost impossible to destroy. If a branch breaks off or a leaf falls, it can root wherever it lands and grow into an entirely new plant. Tortoises graze on the leaves without wiping them out, and the leftover fragments regenerate. The plant doesn't just survive damage, it multiplies because of it. Cultures living alongside it for centuries saw this as a living metaphor for resilience. Every disruption becomes a new beginning. Modern botany adds one more piece. Jade uses CAM photosynthesis, crassulation acid metabolism, opening its pores at night instead of during the day to conserve water. That also means it releases oxygen while you sleep, quietly improving air quality around the clock. All of that work costs energy. When the plant is just meeting its own survival needs, it's in maintenance mode. Only when conditions stabilize and there's energy to spare does that surplus get redirected into flowers. The bloom is literally what happens when the plant has more than enough, abundance expressed through biology. Science calls it energy surplus and hormonal triggers. Tradition calls it good fortune and positive energy. Same phenomenon, different language. If that's changing how you see your own jade plant, hit like and subscribe. There's more like this coming. Now, here's how to actually improve your odds of getting one to bloom. Start with patience and a mature plant. Under 3 years old, it's not ready. Just focus on building a strong, woody structure. Light matters most. Jade needs at least 6 hours of bright, direct sun daily, a south-facing window indoors, or a spot outdoors in spring and summer if you're in zones like Southern California, South Florida, or Arizona. Red-tinged leaf edges are a good sign. Pale, stretched-out growth means not enough light. Create a real winter rest. Starting in September or October, cut watering back sharply. Let soil dry out completely, watering maybe once a month. Stop fertilizing. Let nighttime temperatures drop to 50 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit if you can, and avoid artificial light after sunset. Keep this up for 6 to 8 weeks. Don't repot too often. Jade actually blooms better slightly root-bound, since a full pot signals the plant to shift from growing roots to producing seeds. Use a fast-draining cactus and succulent mix, potting soil, coarse sand, and perlite in equal parts. Fertilize lightly, only in spring and summer at half strength, and never during the rest period. If everything aligns, buds typically form around December and January, opening into fragrant white and pink star flowers that last 2 to 4 weeks. I'll be honest, even doing everything right, your jade might not bloom. Some plants take longer and some homes just can't replicate the signals closely enough. But here's the part worth sitting with. Jade plants can live over 100 years, passed down through generations, trunks thickening, bark peeling like a real miniature tree. A jade that's been in a family for decades has quietly witnessed everything, and when it finally flowers, that moment carries weight, whatever lens you view it through. The fact that this plant can bloom at all, thousands of miles from its native hillsides, isn't luck. It's the result of years of steady, consistent care creating an environment its ancient biology recognizes as home. Maybe there's a lesson there, that blooming can't be rushed, only made possible through maturity, stability, and just enough challenge to stay engaged. Has your jade ever bloomed? Tell me in the comments. If this opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your plants.